I am terribly sorry about that. You used the camera in a flash. I agreed. Wait, what's that? Could it be?
Easy?
What was that? Oh, Sinbad, I found you. Yeah. I'm so happy to see you again.
Put me down. Put me down.
Wait, how do you met him? I'm trying to find him at China, and we looked everywhere. Oh, it's you. Yeah, I remember you. You gotta get back to China, but I can't.
Why not? Wait a minute. He's not returned to China?
Like, exactly. I'm afraid so. Happy Racer, my buddy. But why did you want to do that? Cause anything, it looks like a. I must tell my boss about the bad news. I gotta go. Why, yes, I agreed. Oh, hello there. Buddy, this is Denzel, Toyota, and Daniken. Oh, I never met you before. Except Daniken. Oh, I'm his best friend, and I met him on. He was born on Cocoa Beach, Florida. Wait, how do you know? Same story. Hey, Bo! What was that? I'm so glad to meet you, my bro. Oh, hey. Wait, I know him. He's from the band. Wait, you do? Yes. How? I want to be on the jamming with the big boys.
But why don't you?
But I tried it once. I'm already knowing no more on the way. And say we gonna on the way. Right in a winner on the way. On the way. And then the day on the Havana. La yeah. But it didn't end well. Wow, that sucks. Nobody knows of it like the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows. Oh, Edward, don't be such a lump. A little bounce in it. The time of my life, and I never saw. Oh no. But anything but that. I can't do this. What? Why? 'Cause I quit. What? You are quitting? 'Cause I don't want to be a Chinese emperor of the future of Chinese anymore. 'Cause the retirement contract means that I am not take orders from you anymore. Yep, and that's what I am, and that's what I've always been. I'm sorry for wasting your time, and I'm out of here. Okay, see ya. Hey, Dr. Fed. Oh, what? Sir, no, let me handle this. Dr. Fed, there was no food, no water on China. Yeah, it's dinner time. But the mittens are hot. Then eat and... Whoa, he's not here. Right, yeah. Just like... just like Fossa Shay. Fossa? I warned you guys not to say that Monkshire back name for my reasons. I am the Emperor. Yes, you are the Emperor. Good. Now get out before you make me mad. But yeah, well, we're still hungry. Hello, racer fans. Welcome to the third episode of Woodpecker Racing Season 2. And today, Gumball Waterson are having a Fruit Splat challenge. And there are no racers in this challenge. And whatever you say, what was it again? Andrew? Oh yeah, if you don't hit other fruits, you're in the finish line, you're out. That's Chris' idea. Chris McLean's trying to kick him out of here for not doing it well. Oops. Sorry. Yeah. So anyways, enjoy the show. But wait, it's only 2 of us. Oh, really? Oh no, they're not. What? It's only me, cause Chip told me I have to keep in charge. It's Chris! Oh, sorry. My goodness! What is wrong with you? Sorry to the Andre. Anyways, enjoy the race. I mean, Fruit Splat challenge. Sorry. Okay, I'm ready. Beep, 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 beep. Let's do this. Yes, I did it. And he's squashing all the fruits. And here comes the last fruit. I go into sabotage the races like losers to sit. Just like the pirate villain army did. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That is the last fruit. Oh, and here comes Gumball Waterson are in the finish. That means it's this first Fruit Splat on the season. Yeah, right? Yes, I know. Uh-oh. But look out for the hot dog wagon. What? This will block it. And we sure Gumball's going down. Fool, you stay off the road. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait, Gumball finished! No! I failed losses, so suck my blue. I'm finished. He's gonna kill me to death.
Would you look at that?
Wow, he finished. Wow, dude, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Right? Right, Bob?
Oh, Black. Banana?
I missed Beth, Tyler, Trent. I better go tell Chip about this. I miss my friends. Well, I guess that's it for this episode of... Wait, I'm sorry. I mean, Woodpecker Racing Season 2. And what? See you on the next episode. We'll be back. And Gumball has won the first Fruit Splat challenge.
Yeah, right.
And that's it for this episode. See you next time. Peace out. Thank you for today's show and today's podcast.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, wait for me. Ow. Dang it.
Come on, let's get out of here. To the ship. Oh, wait. And I have my own ship. Yeah, let's go. Woodpecker go talk Chris about this. Okay, I'm going home. Let me put it back. Okay, I am ready. Put it back.